Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best air fryer on the market right now, the Chefman 2 QT Mini Air Fryer. Compact, sleek, and incredibly efficient, this little machine is changing the way small households cook. Whether you're tight on space or just want something simple and effective, this could be exactly what your kitchen needs. Let's start with the design. The Chefman 2-quart Mini Air Fryer is crafted with a modern black finish and a narrow, space-saving profile. It's not just about looks, it's about practicality. This air fryer fits effortlessly on any kitchen counter and even stores easily in cabinets when not in use. Despite its compact size, it doesn't skimp on cooking capacity. The square basket maximizes space, giving you room to cook meals for 1 or 2 people with no issue. Now, when it comes to performance, this air fryer doesn't hold back. It features a capacitive digital touchscreen that lets you control both temperature and cooking time with precision. You can go all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for crisping, roasting, and frying. And thanks to its powerful 900W heating element, it cooks food up to 3 times faster than a conventional oven. That means crispy fries, juicy wings, or roasted veggies in just a matter of minutes. But what makes the Chefman air fryer really shine is its healthy cooking approach. It uses little to no oil while still delivering that golden crunch and satisfying flavor we all love. If you're looking to cut back on calories without sacrificing taste, this fryer is a smart choice. Let's talk features. One of the standout additions is the shake reminder. A gentle audible alert halfway through cooking that lets you know it's time to shake things up. This ensures even cooking and better texture. There's also an automatic shut-off function for peace of mind, which turns the fryer off when your cooking time is up or when the basket is removed. No scrubbing, no hassle. Inside, it's made of durable materials, aluminum and plastic, with a sturdy feel and long-lasting construction. The whole unit is CETL approved, which means it's been tested for safety and performance. To sum it up, the Chefman 2 QT Mini Air Fryer is fast, safe, compact, and perfect for quick, healthy meals. Whether you're cooking a quick lunch, prepping a snack, or making a small dinner for 2, it's got your back. And with its sleek black look and smart digital controls, it fits perfectly in modern kitchens. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you want a countertop appliance that delivers power and performance in a mini package, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.